Hello, welcome to CCCC Library's series on enhancing your research skills. In this video, we'll explore picking and exploring a research topic. We'll be talking about how to be curious, ask questions, and find an argument. Did you know that choosing a topic is a part of the research cycle? Your topic isn't set in stone. It will evolve as you gather information. You can and should reevaluate and reassess your topic based on what you learn in the next few steps. Don't be afraid to change your topic if you find something more interesting or appropriate. This flexibility allows you to refine your focus based on what you discover. Selecting the right topic is crucial as it sets the foundation for your entire research process. Today we'll cover how to integrate being curious, asking questions, and finding an argument into your topic selection. Choose something you don't already know a lot about to avoid bias. Then start asking basic questions and move to more complex ones to narrow your focus. Finally, ensure your topic has a debatable aspect. Your topic has to have at least two sides to explore. This will make your research engaging and purposeful. Let's dive in. Step 1 is be curious. Pick a topic that interests you but isn't already in your comfort zone. You can get topic ideas from class discussions, conversations with friends and family about current events, by doing Google News searches to find current events in the news, or in the table of contents for a journal related to your topic. You can also find inspiration in specialized library databases like Opposing Viewpoints. You can find Opposing Viewpoints by going to the library's homepage, clicking on Databases, expanding all databases A to Z, click on O to shortcut. You'll see Opposing Viewpoints right there. Click on that and open it. Opposing Viewpoints is an excellent resource to get topic ideas, information about those topics, and keywords that will help you in future searches. You'll see here on this page featured topics of the day, then topics by subject, and at the bottom, browse all issues. Click on Browse All Issues. Here you'll see an alphabetical list of topics. Recently updated topics are noted with an orange update sticker. Pick a topic that you want to know more about. Let's pick daylight saving time. Here you'll find more details about that topic, including resources. You can also click on Read More to get valuable keywords, related subjects, and pros and cons that can help you in your argumentative paper. As you start exploring, gather background information. This includes basic facts like people, places, and dates, and any specialized vocabulary you'll find. Specialized vocabulary used to discuss your topic is called jargon. This jargon will be useful not only to understand the articles you'll find, but it's also useful to use as keywords in your searches. Reliable sources for information include news articles, library databases, and books. Be cautious with sources like Wikipedia. Wikipedia is best used as a starting point. Step 2 is asking questions. Asking questions allows you to focus in on a topic. If your topic is too broad, there may be too much information and you won't be able to cover all of it in a short research paper. If it's too narrow, you won't be able to find enough material to write about. Ensure your topic is the right size for your assignment. Use the 4 W's, who, what, when, and where, to narrow down your focus. Another useful tool is mind mapping, which helps organize your thoughts and refine your topic. Start with a topic in the center and answer those who, what, when, where, and why questions. Step 3 is finding the argument. Your topic should have at least 2 sides to make it debatable. Avoid overly controversial topics like abortion or gun rights, which can be emotionally charged and over-discussed. Instead, look for unique angles on lesser-known issues. A strong topic for an argumentative essay should be subjective. That is, different people should be able to view it differently. It should also be analytic. It should require an analysis of existing research. And it should be controversial. It should have a strong counterargument. Instead of broad claims, focus on specific impacts or solutions. In conclusion, selecting and exploring a research topic is a dynamic process that evolves as you delve deeper into your research. Remember to remain curious, continually ask questions, and refine your argument as you gather new information. Choosing a topic is not a fixed decision. It's part of a research cycle that guides how and where you look for information, and it may change as you progress. Keep in mind the importance of curiosity to avoid bias, the necessity of asking both simple and complex questions to narrow your focus, and the value of finding an argument that sparks debate. By thoroughly understanding the background of your topic, determining the appropriate scope, and ensuring your topic is both analyzable and controversial, you set a solid foundation for a compelling and well-supported argumentative essay. Thank you for watching. If you need more resources or have any questions, feel free to reach out. Happy researching and good luck with your projects.